What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hardley and welcome back to another course review video. In this series, I am purchasing and reviewing popular YouTubers' day trading and investing courses, and in this video we just purchased one of the most popular YouTubers' day trading courses. Her name is Shay and she runs the Humble Trader YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to give you my opinion on what it is like to purchase her course, enter the community, and if you get any value out of this video, remember to click that like and subscribe button. Let's jump right in. Okay, so this is what the home page looks like when you log in, and I'll just show you guys. When I go to settings here, you can see that I actually purchased this on July 2nd of 2021. I've been paying $139 USD every single month for this membership, and so far it's worked out pretty well. So I'm going to go back to the main page here, and I just want to show you what you get when you sign up. So I have purchased access to the video library and the resource center. Now the resource center is pretty simple. It's just kind of a collection of walkthrough videos for different platforms, as well as a couple of Excel sheets like a trading journal and a log and things like that. So that is really nice, but the real meat and potatoes here is in the video library. Now I fully admit I have not watched every single video in the video library. There's over 200 videos in here, but I have watched the majority of them, and I've watched all of the videos that apply to me and what I think I can learn something from, but I didn't watch some of the walkthroughs of different platforms or things like that. So I have only gone through the majority of the videos. I haven't gone through everything, but they're divided into different sections here, and there is a lot of different videos here, and there is a lot of content in this course, and you can kind of break it down based on what you're looking for and what you need. There's trading reviews, there's trading platform tutorials, there's weekly live mentorship sessions. There is a lot of stuff in here, and so this is what the platform looks like when you get into it. I'm about 3/4, maybe 2/3 of the way through all of the content, but what I want to do now is tell you my review of it so far. I'm probably not going to finish all of these videos, but I want to give you my review and my opinion of what the value is like when you make this purchase. Okay, so like I said, Shay has set it up on a monthly subscription, and it cost me $139 USD. I just checked my bank statement and it came out to $182 Canadian, and that is on a monthly basis. You can get it down a little bit cheaper if you pay for the 6-month or the annual subscription, but this is basically what I have been paying for the last several months. There's over 230 videos in there, and there is a full portfolio of resources with Excel sheets, a walkthrough of her trading setup, lots of different walkthroughs of different trading platforms. There's a lot of resources in there, and some of the videos are actually up to 1 hour long. They're actually full hour-long webinars where they dive into specific topics and they go super in depth. So there's 230 videos, but I would say that the average length of them is like 10 to 15 minutes or 1 hour long. And so there is a ton of content here. You wouldn't be able to get through everything if you watched it straight for a weekend. I personally think there's over 50 hours of video in this course, and there's a whole lot of resources. Now, what I showed you there was the resources and the content, the course videos, but she also has a Discord chat, and there is a lot of value in the Discord chat. So I just want to pull that up for you real quick and just give you a glimpse of what that looks like. Okay, so this is what the Discord chat looks like, and as you can see, Shay is actually the one posting a lot of these watch lists. She does have other people that help her out, like this gentleman here, Lewis, but it's mostly her doing a lot of the kind of day-to-day updates and the real trading analysis, which is really nice to see. So this is the day trading watch list, and then if you scroll down here, you can go to day trading only, and this is quite literally just one giant chat of people throwing out different day trading ideas and their trades and what they're seeing in the markets and different alerts, and there's a lot going on in here, and there's a variety of different threads. So you can go through all of these different threads. You can find threads for swing trading, you can find threads for options, you can find threads for strategy and due diligence. You can basically find a conversation for whatever you are looking for in the Discord chat. So if you are somebody that is sitting at your computer every single day day trading and looking for ideas and a community to join, she has that, and it's wrapped into this package and into this monthly subscription. So that is really nice, and just that alone is also pretty valuable, even if you don't need the courses or the video lessons. Okay, so like I said, she had that Discord chat with daily and weekly watch lists. That is also included in the Discord chat. There's threads in there for swing trading and day trading. There's also a daily pre-market video where somebody actually goes in there and makes a video about what is happening before the market opens. And so if you are an early day trader, that could be super valuable for you. There's lots of different conversations in there. And I think that Discord chat is actually a really good resource, and it's worth a lot of money just on its own. Now, things that I liked about the entire package. I'm going to kind of group everything together of the course, the resources, and the Discord chat. Things that I liked is that, number one, there's a lot of content and there's a lot of things that you can consistently learn. So you're not going to be able to capture everything in a few days. It's a resource that you can keep going back to and you can keep learning new things and adding them to your strategy. I really like that. I also like that there is daily trading videos being added and there is market recaps. So if Shay has a period where she's trading, she will record that entire trading period and then she will talk about what happened during that period afterwards as she plays it on screen. And I just found that super, super valuable. I also like the included resources like the journal and the spreadsheets. I thought the webinars were super in depth. As long as that was a topic that you wanted to focus on. Some of them were pretty long, but they were very, very helpful as long as it was a topic that you really wanted to learn about. They also have live trading videos, so actual trading videos as Shay is making the transactions there. That was nice to see, and that Discord chat, like I said, is really nice. But the things that I did not like, number one is that some of those webinars are really, really long, and it can be tough to find the little pieces that you need inside of that webinar. And so some of those videos are very, very long, and if you get bored easily, it might be tough to pay attention through that full webinar. So pay attention there. And also, if you have never traded before, if you don't even have a Robinhood or a Wealthsimple account and you've never just hit the buy or sell button, this course might be a little bit overwhelming. Now, the reason that I say that is because this course is not focused on giving you that base level knowledge. It's not teaching you how to open an account and make that first trade. It's teaching you about the psychology of trading and day trading and swing trading, but it's not going to give you that very basic level of this is what a stock is, this is what a ticker is, this is what the chart looks like. It's not going to be that. It's going to kind of start at that level and then move up from there. So if you're not familiar with what a ticker is or you haven't made your first trade ever yet, this course might not be the right solution for you. Now, who is this course suited for? Well, number one, if you want to be a day trader or if you want to be a swing trader, this course is going to be perfectly suited for you. But you do, like I said, need to have just that base level of knowledge of what is a ticker, what is a stock, what is the NASDAQ. You should have that base level of knowledge. If you don't have that base level of knowledge, it might be good to just spend a couple hours on YouTube before you go out and buy this course and access this community. But it is super, super valuable, and it actually really impressed me. Now, a couple other things to know. This is not something you're going to be able to go through in 1 to 2 days. This is like a 1 to 2 week kind of course because there is so much content, there's so much knowledge in there, and you really need time to digest it and then go into the market and apply it. You can't just consume everything and think you're going to be a great day trader. It's not going to happen like that. So this is not a 1 to 2 day project. This is probably a 1 to 2, maybe 3 week project that you then reference and go back to, and you use the Discord chat all the time. So that's how you should probably think about this. It is also on a monthly subscription and it's not a super cheap price, so make sure that you take that into account. This is a little bit of a commitment. You need to make sure that you're getting your money's worth out of it, but the Discord chat on its own is probably worth at least half of that fee. If you can make a couple of trades and make some money just based off other signals and other ideas coming from that Discord chat, that could be super valuable on its own, and maybe you don't even need the access to the videos and the course content. That Discord chat is pretty in-depth and they do a pretty good job. So it actually really impressed me. Now, in overall comparison, I have reviewed, looks like 5 other courses before this one, and this was the only one on a monthly subscription. So I've put some stars or some asterisks next to the price here. So that's what that means. And then when it comes to strategy and explanation, I thought they did a really good job of kind of breaking down why they enter a position, what the setup looks like, why they exit a position, and breaking down all of those details. They actually have full Excel sheets that dictate and detail what a setup should look like and how to handle it. So I thought that was really well explained, and I thought they did a great job. When it comes down to value for the money, I thought this course did excellent job. They had tons of resources, tons of videos, and the access to that Discord chat, which is really well run in my opinion. I thought it was excellent value for the money, especially $139 a month. If you're trading with more than a couple of $1,000s, then that $139 is probably worth it every single month just for access to the Discord chat. And production quality overall, I thought it was really good. Like, there was no issues with the sound, no issues with the quality. Some of the videos were a little bit long, but it's because they were going into detail. So if you're that kind of person, then it's probably going to be a great fit for you. I'm kind of the guy that, like, here's the idea, here's the concept, here's how it works, and that's all I need to know. And I like it as simple as possible, but if you're a real detail person, then some of these videos you're probably going to absolutely love. So this is my final rating. I am giving it a 26 out of 30. The only course that has beat it so far is Meet Kevin's course, and all of the other ones are just slightly below it. So overall, I thought it was a really good course. It scored really well, and I'm pretty happy with the value for the money that I paid. I just think overall, $139 US, $180 Canadian in return for access to the videos as well as that Discord chat. I think there's a lot of value there, so I'm a big fan of what she has done. Now, in summary, like I said, I think this is a great course for learning how to day trade. You do need to have just that base level of knowledge of what is a stock, what is a ticker, what does the NYSE mean. You should have that kind of base level knowledge, but after that, this is a perfect course for you if you want to get into day trading. It also comes at a pretty reasonable price compared to some of the other day trading courses on the market and some of the ones that I'm about to review. For instance, Warrior Trading, I think it's about $6,000, and Stock Market Labs is about $2,500. I know Ricky Gutierrez is coming out with a new Learn Plan Profit. I reviewed his first course, so I'm looking forward to the second one. And Griffin Milks also has a course, so I got to check that one out and add it to the list. Those videos are up and coming, but if you get any value out of this video, please remember to click that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.